Hello and welcome back to Jakubication. Today we're going to talk about implicit conversions and equality in JavaScript. JavaScript is weird. Very weird. An entire exploration of this could be a much longer video. I'm going to give you the quick practical parts and maybe have the comprehensive coverage in a different video. Double equals in JS is a much looser check than in a language like Python, Java, or C. If both types are the same and the values are equal, no funny business happens. If both the types aren't the same, it goes through a whole list of tests to see if it could, in any way, make these values equal. To further illustrate this, here's everything that is double equal to 0 in JS. The string 0, false, the empty string, any amount of white space, the empty array, or an array containing just 0. Stop the madness! Your first defense to get past this is to just always use triple equals. 0 is only triple equals to 0, and nothing else. Triple equals is your more traditional sense of equality from the other languages. But what makes this happen in the first place? In comes implicit conversions. Implicit conversion. This is when JS converts a value to a different type without you asking it to do that. This concept is the main reason double equals is so strange. JS has a defined set of steps where it tries to implicitly convert one or both of the values in an attempt to make the equality true. These steps are JS's abstract quality comparison algorithm, and is the topic of the more comprehensive video I alluded to earlier that I might make later. Outside of double equals, there are a few other implicit conversions you should know about. The plus operator. If one operand is a string, the other operand will be converted to a string, and the strings will be concatenated, meaning 1 plus string 1 results in string 11. True or false will become their literal strings, or 1, 0, respectively, depending on the situation. 1 plus true results in 2, 1 plus false results in 1, blah plus true plus 1 results in blah true 1. Basically, the addition runs from left to right, 2 operands at a time. If a boolean gets added to a string, it becomes literal, otherwise it becomes a number. The other math operators. True-false will get converted to 1 or 0 respectively, and code will progress like you'd expect. If a string can't be converted to something numeric, the result will be nan. Something numeric? This is what JS does to convert a string into something. Empty string converts to 0. Any amount of just white space converts to 0. Numeric integer or float literals like 5 convert to the number. This also works for numeric literals in binary or hexadecimal, so 0b001 or 0xff will also work here. Anything else converts to nan. Numeric cleanup. Null will convert to 0 when used with the math operators. No matter what combination, undefined with the math operators will result in nan. Truthy and Falsy. A truthy value is a value that results to true in a Boolean context. A falsy value is a value that results to false in a Boolean context. The falsy values in JavaScript: undefined, null, false, 0, nan, and the empty string. The truthy values: everything else. Takeaway. Conditional and loop statements may use implicit truthy-falsy values instead of explicit true-false checks. And now you're aware of it. Ciao.